Facing financial difficulties is never easy, especially as we grow older or have to cope with a disability. Even with a strong economy, it can be a challenge for senior citizens and people with disabilities on fixed incomes to pay their bills and taxes just to make ends meet.
I need somebody to help me.
So for years now, the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors has provided a tax relief program for those in need, our seniors and people with disabilities, with limited incomes and assets. Anyone 65 or over, or with disabilities, is encouraged to contact the Department of Tax Administration's Tax Relief Office. They will mail you an application and even help you fill it out if necessary.
You brought everything with you?
Yes, I think I have.
Okay. And you've been on the program before?
Yes, I did.
Many applicants have asked for help, and they've received assistance from tax relief specialists in the Department of Tax Administration.
Well, it's very easy. They send us the application and just check off what's applicable to you.
It's a wonderful program. I think it's very beneficial to senior citizens.
The tax relief program was wonderful for me. I had learned of it through the newspaper, and I also had the pleasant surprise of finding out that it also affected the personal property tax. And I have quite a few friends that have moved into Fairfax County that are not aware of the tax relief program, and I've told them about it, so I really think it needs to be publicized even more to help seniors. How are we doing on my paperwork?
I'm doing great, ma'am, and it's nearly done.
Thanks, you.
Fairfax County's tax relief program is a vital service for nearly 9,000 seniors and people with disabilities. If you think you or someone you know may be eligible for tax relief, but you need more information, there are several options for obtaining some assistance. It may be easiest to simply look on our website. Go to www.fairfaxcounty.gov/DTA and select Tax Relief for Seniors and People with Disabilities. You'll find detailed information about all 3 areas of tax relief. You will also be able to download the tax relief application or email your inquiries to DTA staff for a quick response. You can call the Department of Tax Administration at 703-222-8234. The TTY number is 703-222-7594. Finally, if you prefer to drop us a note or stop by and ask for assistance, our address is 12,000 Government Center Parkway, Suite 223, Fairfax, Virginia 22035. The office is open from 8 to 4:30 weekdays.